Hello class LKG, I am here again to take your classes. So let's start with the English subject. In English, today we will do some dictation. Dictation of small cursive alphabets which you have done in previous videos. So start with the date which is 2020-05-2020. Then topic DICTATIO and dictation and classwork. Then as I given the dot here, parents, you have to give the same in your words notebook. Okay. So let's start. I'm going to tell. You have to write. So you have to write small cursive A. Small cursive A. Then B. Write B. Then D. Yes, D. Then F. F. C. C. L. G. G. Q. Q. H. H. O. O. Okay, you have to write, and parents, please give your word more and more dictation that they can do it perfectly. Now I am going to take your Hindi subject. In Hindi, today we will write Vyanjan Jaw. Okay. So first start with the date which is 20/05/2020, Vyanjan Jaw and classwork. Then start from the first line. Okay, I will tell you how you will write. So first you have to draw a sleeping line, then standing line, again a sleeping line, and move like this. Jaw se jahaj. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and move like this. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, then move like this. So you have to write jaw se jahaj like this. Do it like this, jaw se jahaj. Okay, now I'm going to give you a homework that you can practice of jaw se jahaj. This is your homework which you have to done by your own in your next page. Okay, so do practice of jaw se jahaj. Parents, help your word to do this. Now I'm going to take your maths subject. In maths today we will do what comes between. Okay, you know very well that how to do it. So let's start doing. First start with the date 20/05/2020, topic what comes between, and classwork. Start from the first one. Okay, let's start. What comes after 1-3-13 and before 1-5-15? In between them what we will write here? 1-3-13, 1-4-14. Okay. After 1-6-16, before 1-8-18, what we will write here? 1-6-16, 1-7-17. After 1-2-12 and before 1-4-14, what we will write? 1-2-12, 1-3-13. In between 1-12 and 1-4-14, we will write 13. 2-0-20 after and 2-2 before. What we will write in between them? 2-0-20, 2-1-21, then 2-2-22. And next 3-0-30. What we will write after 3-0-30 and before 3-2-32? 3-1-31. What we will write after 4 and before 6? 4, 5, 6. Okay. So do it like this. So do it like this. Now I'm going to give you homework that you can do it perfectly. So this is your homework which you have to run by your own. So do practice of it. Do it perfect. Parents help you what to do this all work.